You like to play with trains. In this episode of our alphabet journey, we will explore letter T. T for trains. And we will get to assemble and play with Polar Express train. Hello, kids!
Hi, Mrs. Spiky!
I see you're excited to explore letter T today.
Yeah!
What are we going to do for the activity?
Make a train!
Okay, and it's not just a regular train, right?
Yeah!
What kind of train is it?
Polar Express!
It's a special one. Can you show us what do you have? This is awesome.
And you can make different shapes like a square, an oval, and a circle.
Well, what kind of shape are we going to make today?
I think I want to do a square.
I don't think trains run in a square.
We're probably gonna do a circle.
Okay.
Or.
All right, well, how about we start working on assembling?
Careful, make sure nothing falls. Whoa, this is so cool.
While you guys work on assembling the tracks and the train cars, I can share with you a few cool facts you may not know.
Okay.
There's a fun fact about the first train that was made over a bet.
Really?
In the early 1800s, Richard Trevithick attached a steam engine to a carriage. His boss made a bet that he could hold 10 tons of iron along the road with his steam engine. And you know what? Richard succeeded. Back then, it was an amazing success. And soon after, the train industry started growing rapidly. Countries were building train tracks all over the globe, and it gave many people jobs. Do you know where the oldest railway station in the world?
No.
It is in Liverpool. It's a Liverpool station. Actually, it's Liverpool Station in Manchester, UK.
Hey, I visited there.
It is the oldest railway station still standing. You know when it was open?
When?
In 1830.
In
That's a
1830.
long time ago.
Yes.
We built a track, Mr. Spiky.
Do you guys know what is the longest US railway passenger route?
Let me think. Ow, that hurts. I don't know.
The longest passenger railway route in the US is from Chicago to Los Angeles.
What?
That's where we live.
Yes, it's covering the distance of 4,390 kilometers.
That's huge.
That's huge.
From Chicago to Los Angeles?
Yes,
That's
you
huge.
can travel on train from Chicago to Los Angeles.
That's crazy.
Do you know there's also a channel that goes under the ocean waters, and the trains travel there as well?
What?
I tell you,
That's crazy.
the Channel Tunnel operates from Folkestone in Kent, United Kingdom, and it goes to France.
I always want to go to United Kingdom.
That would be a fun trip. The tunnel runs for 50 kilometers. It's basically 31 and a half miles.
What?
Yes, and it goes under the English Channel.
It goes under the ocean?
Well, yeah, it's the ocean waters, pretty much.
That's awesome.
So cool. Yeah, but how doesn't the train just float away if it's water?
Because it's in the big, huge tunnel,
Oh.
concrete tunnel under the water.
Oh. I thought
Amazing,
it was just
right?
there.
Yes. You know, there's all kinds of different trains that are built for different kinds of purposes and different kinds of environments. You know, our train is going to be powered by what today? By
Batteries.
Batteries, right. And sometimes trains are powered by steam or by diesel and electricity. There's also high-speed trains.
That's cool.
I think the fastest high-speed train can reach speeds over 300 kilometers. It's
300 kilometers?
Mr. Spiky.
186 miles per hour. Yes.
Mr. Spiky, I
Yes.
read in a book that there's the fastest train in the world is in, I think, Japan or China.
I think you're right. Yes, Japan has a lot of speed trains. This is a beautiful train, guys.
Pushing the wheels. There.
Look at that.
What?
Can you move outside of the circle? Because I need to put down the train station.
Uh-oh.
Oh, one of the pieces are disconnected. Stop it.
I think you can go back. Yes.
Regina, I can do it. Disconnect this piece.
No, you don't need to disconnect
Yeah,
it.
because you can't.
Look, yes, you
Oh,
can.
There. There. Don't put people in yet. Could you hand me? Could you put all the people right here? Yes, more. Yes, more.
Are people gonna get on?
I'm not sure. Not yet. The train station isn't ready. But the train station's almost ready, so soon people will come on. Can I try?
Yeah. Melissa, this is the arrow and you do it like that, and then blue is backward, and then green is forward.
Okay.
And then these are like, this one's that, this one's that, and then this one's, here you go.
Whoa.
You can go full speed. Hey, wait! Turn it off. I found the problem. Now keep going. That's why it wasn't moving as fast.
Oh, I see the little bell.
What?
I see the little
Yeah,
bell.
and there's a light.
Regina, are you almost done? Almost.
Can I drive?
Sure.
Now we're going backwards.
Beep, beep, beep. Waiting for the people. And there, I'm done.
Kids.
Stop the train so people can get on.
You gonna put someone on a train?
Yeah,
I'm going a bit backward.
yeah, a bit more.
There
Some
you
people
go.
are gonna go on with their pets.
Ring the bell so they know to go.
I wonder if you can put them inside the train cars.
Oh, you can't put them inside. But we'll
Okay.
pretend we can put them inside.
All right,
Some
well,
people,
let's
oh wait, go
pretend.
over here. Some people can go inside the conductor's place.
Yeah.
But it's too dangerous in there. They're gonna fall up. But we can try.
Hey, and one can go up here.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure two can go. Oh wait, she stays.
Here's
So-
another one.
Yeah,
And she
here's
comes
another
with
one.
her sheep.
Yeah, and she comes with her dog. But the sheep and dogs will have to be back here.
This means get on, and then this one's,
Let me get on
and
this
then
side to
this
put her
bell
in.
means we're leaving soon.
So these two are the conductors.
That means we're leaving soon.
Okay.
Everyone get on.
Everyone get on.
Someone should go up here.
Actually, let's put her up here so she can take care of everyone else's pets.
I clipped her hand on.
Wait, don't start the train. It's not ready.
And the sheep.
And the sheep. Put the sheep
You
there.
can clip her hand on.
Yeah, clip her hand on too.
I already clipped it.
Okay. Now let some people get in the train. Boop-a-doop-a-boom. Boop-a-doop-a-boom.
And let some people go in the front.
Boom, boom, boom. And some people in the front. Boop-a-doom.
I think in the movie there was at least one person that was sitting on top of the train cars. Do you
Yeah.
remember?
Yeah.
There was an old man.
Yes.
Wait, I
Well,
think
she's a girl, but let's put her on top of the train. Let's see if she stays on.
It might be difficult, but you can
Okay.
try.
Let's try.
Uh-oh.
No.
Christian, stop.
There. Now you can go. Let's see. Is she gonna stay on? Go full speed.
Full speed is gonna make her fall off.
Oh, she's falling.
Oh.
Oh, she fell. It's okay, everyone. I'm alive.
Okay, she's Lego.
Look, Mr. Spiky.
Yes.
And this is called, I forgot what this is called, but it's like if there's a rock in the way, it'll just push it off the railway.
Well, maybe not completely. Not with this train.
Not with the chair. But I
Yeah.
tried it once and it worked with
Jingle box.
And sometimes it can clear the snow in the winter, right?
Yeah.
Wait,
Yeah.
can you give me those two people?
that have like a twisty thing there and then there's
Oh.
slices.
Wait.
And
I'll
they,
give you
All
one.
right.
We
and they slice the snow. And then
We can
there's
put people up here.
Or
and
up
then there's
here?
like a bucket there and then it just flames it out.
Okay.
Oh yeah, we can put people on top too. Over here.
Train is leaving soon.
This one's not clipping on. Oh wait, there's a couple people up. Ah! They made it.
Yay! They're traveling on Polar Express.
Woo!
Woohoo!
And the two conductors are there too. And one person over here. Go full speed now.
That was full speed.
That was full speed? Okay.
It's still kind of speeding up.
Well, kids,
Lots of
can
people
I
doing
ask
that.
you a question?
Yes?
You guys know any other words that start with letter T that are important to you? Yes, Melissa.
Tropical rainforest, because that's where all the trees come from.
All right, wonderful. Thank you. Christian, I think we better turn the train off right now so we can hear each other. Regina,
Yeah.
what about you?
Truth?
Truth. Why is truth important?
Because if I wasn't true to people, then people wouldn't believe me ever. And I would be lying to them. And if they weren't truthful to me, then that would just be really, really bad.
Thank you. Christian, do you have anything in mind?
Yes. Trying. Because if you didn't try, then we were trying. But if we didn't try, then this whole thing wouldn't be here.
Absolutely.
And if you didn't try, then like if you thought swimming was hard and you didn't try, then it
you
just
would not know how to swim.
and you wouldn't know it's so much fun.
Yes.
And then when you swim, you'd always be with floaties.
How about you guys do one more circle with a train, and then we're gonna sing our song.
Okay,
Let's put her up here.
we can't.
Oops. Yeah, we can. Okay, let's start the train.
Oops, one person didn't get on.
It's okay. They'll go on next round. Oh no, they're kind of falling off.
It's okay. At least it didn't fall off completely. Ding, ding, ding. Push away snow.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Next week, we're going to release a new episode. If you don't want to miss it, then
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.